Look, here's the brutal truth everyone's skirting around. Venture capitalists aren't in this game to make safe bets. Stability doesn't win at venture capital. It's a nightmare for them. The moment you hear steady growth or predictable return, you're basically hearing slow death. That's why risk isn't just a side effect, it's the damn core of the whole operation. Founders and investors alike get frustrated because they want to build something that lasts, but VC money isn't designed for your comfort zone. It's designed to multiply, explode, and rewrite the market, or it's worthless. And that's exactly why they favor risk hard over stability. Now, before you lose your mind thinking this is reckless or irresponsible, understand what risk actually means here. VCs aren't throwing darts blindfolded. They're looking for bets that shake the roof off. Massive market disruption, jaw-dropping scalability, and quick, almost violent exits. Stability is for banks and pension funds, not for startups trying to blow up industries overnight. If you're trying to pitch them a company that's slow and sure, you're basically putting a bullet through your own foot. This frustration you feel, it's real. You hate that your vision can get crushed because nobody's willing to back the slow and steady path. You're angry at the system that demands growth so fast you can't even breathe without investors breathing down your neck. But here's the kicker. If you want their money, you have to play by their rules. You don't ask VCs to love your stability, you flip the game. Show them how your risk is a calculated, asymmetric bet, how it's not chaos, it's precision. Stop thinking about risk as gambling. Start treating it like a scalpel. Cut deep where it hurts the most. Identify the inefficiencies in your market no one dares to touch. Find the tech, the shift, the cultural change nobody else can see. Then, build your narrative around that risk, the one that makes them drool with the promise of 10 times or 100 times returns. That's how you get inside their heads fast. It's not about avoiding risk, it's about owning it, mastering it. And here's something nobody talks about. You have to get comfortable looking crazy. The world rewards the people who ignore the safe path because the safe path is brutally mundane and overcrowded. Stability will never get you noticed. Risk, intelligent, aggressive risk, is your ticket out of mediocrity. Forget the slow and steady bullshit. If you want to lock down VC money, you have to obsess over growth so fierce it scares people. Be so damn hungry, so focused on bending reality to your advantage, that sitting still is the last option for you. Next level advice. Build networks that think like you do. Investors who want risk aren't interested in your spreadsheets showing year-on-year modest growth. They want founders who breathe fire, who know that market domination doesn't come from playing it safe, but from exploding every damn assumption in the book. Surround yourself with partners who get this. When you pitch, speak their language. Numbers that scream growth potential, risks reduced to formulas, failures turned into data points for bigger wins. Finally, don't forget, capitalism isn't a game to keep you comfortable. It's a rough, messy battlefield where only the fastest and boldest survive. Capital exists to fund the impossible because the status quo never changes on its own. So if you're waiting for stability, you're already on the losing side. Flip that mindset. Embrace risk like a weapon. Make VCs feel like your crazy vision is the only thing they can't afford to miss. That's how you win. That's how you break out. Now go and own it. No excuses. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.